Hey, what up, my money makers? It's Maria and my third month of chronicling my trading, my day trading, so that I can become a professional trader. First thing first, don't forget to comment, give a sexy comment on the comments box, click share and like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Well, time is money, so let's get into this. First thing first, I'm gonna show you guys my I'm gonna show you guys my watch list. Alrighty, it's not connecting. Let me connect my phone so you can see my watch list. Oops. Perfect. We are gonna show you guys three. I'm trying to actually identify three. There you go. Three profitable trades. But before that, I'm gonna show you guys my watch list. All right, my watch list that I have on my list are BA, that's Boeing, Marvel, United Airlines, and SPY. My favorite, and what I'm gonna show you guys first is the SPY. It's because I did a trade on this one earlier, and boom. All right. So here you go. Earlier, here's my trading. I was watching this. Right now, I am removing the MA and the EMA so that you can see the whole trading, because it's actually mess up the whole thing. So earlier today, I got this. This is one of the trade that I've learned so far is the options. So I am kind of watching this. I'm kind of watching this earlier. Dang it. There you go. I'm kind of watching this. Let me grab my water. This is SPY. SPY technically is the. Dang it. Am I having that again? So it's showing you how it goes up. It's showing me earlier that it goes up. So I'm kind of watching it and trying to get into the options of SPY. And SPY, trying to see that. I wish I can see it a little bit bigger. Oh. There you go. So right now it's at 469.40, and then I see that that's there's the super trend, the green super trend is saying that it goes up, and if I gonna get me, I'm trying to figure out. I believe this is, if I gonna go buy this one, it costs me trying to remember, $1.20, I think. $1.20 if I'm, and I if I buy an option, it gives me 100 shares. And 100 shares, so that's 121. And if this keeps on going up, then I could get some money in there. But anyways, let me get. So try to hide you guys my positions. I'm gonna call Russell in a moment here, but so see what I am trying to find here. I'm trying to identify my entry for $1.21, and options goes up and down so fast. And I'm trying to find me an entry, and normally I actually put a line over here, line the resistance, and I don't even know where's the resistance. I should actually put that down earlier. Resistance, you see the green super trend is telling me to go and buy now because it is starting to go up. I love the super trend actually. And then find my entry so that I can make some money. But if I enter in here, if I enter at 469.20 probably, if I enter where the VWAP is actually the orange one, I could actually losing money right now because it's going down instead of going up. Well, not really, actually. So anyways, so I've been watching this trend of, wow, SPY is going up at this moment that we talk. We're doing this. So I decided not to, and enter or buy this trade at all. I'm gonna actually move this. Yeah, alrighty. So right here, you see the trend. You see that Russell actually made some money on this one. But look at that that red one, red candle going down. That is where I actually enter on that and made some money. I made me $12.50 on this certain trade because I've been watching it. But anyways, I want to show you guys. Show. What's going on right now? Not connecting. That's why. Need a new cord. Cord. I need a cord. I think overuse. There you go. Do I have? Nope. Technology. doji. I'm not gonna be able to show you. Moving on, let me. Oh, that's not. I am actually I, as you can see, I put one of my ticker, which is Shiba. Shiba is eating shit right now. Come on. Ah, that's me. There you go. Perfect. Alrighty, so let's go to SPY. I have remaining buying power. So right now, as we can see, SPY is okay. I need to. I think I wasn't ready doing this today. Oh, that's not the buy. This is my third month, and so far, what the fudge? Third month, and I'm getting the hang of it. So I wanna talk to Russell, and because he, oh shucks, that is a good candle right there. How much is that? Let me see how much is the option for that. The option cost. What the heck? Okay, hold on. See, this is FOMOing. I'm now FOMOing. Oh my god, that could be an 18 cents. I have. Now, what are you gonna do? So, right now I am checking what it's gonna do. I love SPY actually because sometimes this is it's kind of calculated actually. Now right now here's my buy. It's 18 cents. If I'm gonna buy this with that let's go back. If I'm gonna buy this right now, that is ready to no, yeah, no. See, I bought if I bought it right there, that 18 cents, probably eating my money. Okay, so let's. I hope it's not. Holy cow! I could have gotten. Oh gosh, that's supposedly like around $10. I could have gotten around $10 on that.
What's going on with your show?
Oh, I'm in my show right now, and you're in my
Oh,
show.
I see.
Yes. All right. So I was I was showing on my. Damn! I could have made at least $20 on that. But it's a I was gonna be FOMOing. Damn it! Gosh! You see, go on SPY.
I was there.
Did you see that? Did you see that three candles right there?
No. Did it take a shit?
Oh my god! I could have, yeah, I could have gotten it, but I am actually doing
No, you
my.
couldn't have. No, you couldn't have.
Why?
Because you can't trade same day options on Webull. You'd have to buy the Wednesday options, which would have been more expensive.
Oh, are you sure? Because I'm
Yep.
looking at it right now. It's
'Cause I'm
20.
just looking at it myself, and I'm like, oh, I could have bought the puts for like,
Oh, it's because it's 12.
yeah.
Oh, that's right. Never mind. You see, that's the thing. These are the things that I. Are you watching me or not?
No.
Oh, okay. But anyways, yeah, this is
Ready,
this.
ready.
I what I forgot about options is you cannot buy options at 11 a.m. right?
You can't buy same day option.
Yeah, same day options. Oh my God, look at my. But anyways, yeah, same day options. Or when it's 11 a.m. right?
Yes.
So I cannot even do options on my power hour.
You can. You just can't buy. You have to buy Wednesday's expiration.
Okay. All right. So let's get back to the candle, to the chart. There you go. So right now, I know I cannot do that. I gotta have to restructure this power hour because I want something that I am trading at the same time I'm doing the power hour. But this is a good good talk. So Russell, this is my third month of trading so far, and I think I'm getting my ass kicked big
You
time.
are. In all fairness, we all are though. I hate to tell you this, not special.
Oh, I always thought that I'm very special.
Yeah, you're not. We all are basically our asses handed. It is the last few months. The last 2 months were the hardest I've ever seen in the stock market.
Yeah, but
I'm not even messing with you. Like it was some of the
well,
hardest days.
in fairness, Russell is I am happy of my first 2 months. Honestly, I am because I could have lost all my money on this stock trading if I really didn't make more than I could make in the first 2 months. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But I go. You gotta have to be. I gotta have to be careful. Like what I was telling Russell earlier is I wanna actually restart all over again because my first 2 months is my training. It's my learning of doing this, and I wanna restart all over again because I kind of see all the mistakes that I made for the first 2 months. I could making so much money if I start now. I just scalp some a few dollars again today, and I'm so happy. Yay! Making $2 is okay with me as long as it's not negative. Because what are the rules? Protect your capital, don't lose money, and make some money. So making $2, success. But look at this one. Spy is one. I hated this spy last week. But learning kind of the candles and the resistance level and things in here from last week is I kind of love it a little bit, not too much, but yet, but you know
Uh,
as long as I can execute the proper entry and out perfectly, I think I would be able to make a lot of money.
yeah. It's all execution, right? Like that. In the end of the day, everything that you're doing will boil down to execution. Um, I could tell you the top. I could tell if I could come out and tell you the top, I'd come out and tell you the bottom. At the same time, uh, then but not teach you how to execute, if you knew how much, you would still lose money. You know, and that's actually kind of a common like thought process or statement in the stock market.
Mm-hmm.
Is that even if you knew the top and the bottom, you still lose money. You know?
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, because it's all execution.
I'm just being.
Oh. All right.
Oh, I'm just being. So, anyways, that's one. That's what that's that trade that I've been actually staying almost the whole day today is SPY, but um, you know, SPY can be the same thing as everything else, like all the watch list that I have on my watch list. But um, the reason why we love SPY so much is, Russell,
Makes us money.
why it does make you money. Gosh, that's a okay. Okay, SPY. If I actually entered on SPY before 11 a.m., I could be actually executing right now whatever I bought before 11 a.m. Right. So if I bought a 468 call, I could be printing right now.
Probably not. Well, I mean, your put would be worth money. Yes, if you bought. Or wait, you bought a 468 call.
Mm-hmm.
Perhaps. If you bought a 468 call and you dump it back up there, it's you missed your money printer.
Oh, gotcha.
If it went to 469.48, if you didn't cut it when it broke from that, but yeah, you could have, when it dipped all the way down, when it broke out of the descending wedge and started its climb back up,
Mm-hmm.
could have bought a 468 call, and it probably, yeah, you'd probably be printing 4-1 right now. But you had to wait for it to break out of the descending wedge, and by then we'd already traded all of our stuff.
Yeah. But anyways, yeah. So why do you love SPY? You stay at SPY all the time.
So the reason I trade SPY, I'm personally, I'm sick of chasing tickers. Like every day, it's so much chaos. It's, oh, look at that one's up over there, and oh, that stock's up over there, and that company's up over there, and that company's up over there. But if I just stay on SPY, it's just SPY. Now all I have to care about is the news that affects SPY, and it's big. It's huge. SPY is all of America. It's the top 500 companies in America. So if any one of those 500 companies has news, it'll make SPY go up, or if it's bad news, it'll make SPY go down. And I don't have to chase each individual ticker, right? I don't have to run all over the stock market, and I think the big thing about that for me is that, if pull up PPSI, look at that chart.
I made money on PPSI.
But if you go pull up PPSI and you look at the chart and you see the big run up, you're filled with you can't help but be filled with regret.
Oh my God, PPSI went 1094 now.
Yeah.
Holy cow! Okay, hold on.
Don't chase.
No, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check first. I'm gonna check. Okay, PPSI meant. Okay, so let's see. Oh no, yeah, no. You see PPSI. Oh, there you go. If you see the RSI here, the RSI. Why is that? No. Where is my RSI now? There you go. If look on the RSI. I actually traded earlier here. And I think I made $4 or $10 actually. Holy cow, this is like when I traded on this one, it is like 9 something, I believe. Oh no, 7, no, 6 something. Motherfuck. Holy cow! That's not cool.
Look, this is a stock I've traded many times. I love this company. PPSI is a great company. They are very talented, and they really do what they do very well.
I had 20 shares on this one earlier.
Yeah, well, okay, so you feel that regret and shame you feel right now for not holding your shares,
Yeah.
for missing that run?
It's 11, that is 7. It's actually, I sold it at 720.
Yeah.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 times, yeah. That's how much I lost right there. But it's okay, I don't care.
Well, here's the deal. Unless you're going to sit there and babysit it to watch it for the next big move up, you're stuck there through, what was that? Let's look at the 30-minute chart. So you sold at 720, which was the peak into the open, and then you had to sit there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. 3 hours watching this, waiting for the next move back up. Like, we can just move over to SPY, and what? Okay, you had 20 shares times $4. Okay, you'd have made $80. I made $100 4 times in a row on SPY in less than an hour. That's why I like SPY, is because I don't have to chase all of it. I don't have to hate myself for missing these moves.
I know, right?
And guess what? Tomorrow we're gonna get up and we only have to look at SPY. And if it goes up, we make money. If it goes down, we make money. PPSI doesn't have options.
I know. That's what
I can't make any money on PPSI if it goes
that's
down.
the first thing. That's the first thing I look actually is the options when you guys are this is the funny thing about trading, guys, is we are trading and we have 3 other boys that's trading with us, and it's so much fun. I had so much fun with those guys, and we're trading different ticker. So
And the other thing too, Maria, is that the SPY options, you can afford them.
yeah, I already showed them how much it is.
But I mean, look at what we looked at this morning with Delta. We looked at, American Airlines. You're looking at $300 a contract. My last set of contracts, what did we pay? 35 cents a share for our last set of contracts, our last put on SPY.
Yep. And I made $12 something on SPY. I wish I had more money so I could have made. Yeah. So here's the deal is we have 19 minutes left. I'm not gonna finish this because I don't have any more trading. I explained to you my watch list. I have 4 watch lists actually earlier. This one is making my heart beat so fast when it's
Which one? PPSI?
Yeah. How much do I?
It's gonna run for more than 1 day.
So
Wait for it. It needs to breathe though.
Yeah.
Let it take a breath and check back in the pre-market.
You know what I was thinking is I want that goes down below BWAP and then I'm gonna buy. I wish there's an option for PPSI. Why there's no options on this one? I just literally don't like it because it doesn't have options.
They're just not that. They're just a little company out of Minnesota, and they're like brilliant engineers that, when Tesla has a problem, they call PPSI. That's who they call Pioneer. That's,
There you go. There you go. Go down more. What is the news, by the way? I didn't even look on the news on this one. I just jumped in because the 3 guys, the other 2 guys, were like talking about it, and I'm looking at it. So I FOMO on that, but I made money.
But you don't necessarily have to know the reason to see the setup when you were trading it. It was very technical. Like but the whole market was very technical.
No, it's actually because you guys are already in there. That means I don't need to do my my technical analysis because you guys are all in there already. So that's the only reason why I FOMO on it. It's because you guys not even watching it if it's not something that I can trade. You know what I'm saying? Does that make sense?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
No.
That's why I jump into it when I look at it. I kind of look at it. I kind of like do my own technical analysis in my mind, and then I'm like, boom, boom, haha. That's a good thing when you are in a group. It's just kind of like a group study, right? Oh, you are in a group trading. You are just listening with these guys what they are saying, and you're making your own decision. And the whole time I wasn't saying anything. I was so quiet because I am looking on the chart, making my technical analysis, and while they are talking, and I'm just making my move based what makes sense to me. Does that make sense to you? You know that, right, Russell? Russell,
Oh, can I hear you? Can you hear me?
can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah, no, I was saying
I feel
that.
like you were too busy laughing.
No, what I was saying was my technical analysis actually goes together with you guys what you're talking about. When you guys are talking that hey, this will run into this and this and then I'm also looking on the chart and I said makes sense. That's why I got in. What I was trying to say is that I don't need to go into in-depth technical analysis for myself because you guys are already there uh, saying things that's my question on the chart. Does that make sense?
Yeah, well, I mean, all you really needed to do with PPSI this morning want get your entry and get your exit.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Yeah.
That's what I did. I actually have my entry. I got in on my entry perfectly. Like I executed that entry perfectly, and then I said, and I'm gonna be selling on this amount, and then I see it that it's still going up above. I can see that it's going above my exit, but I already put my order ready for my exit, right? So before I have a chance to change my exit, it failed the order. So I was like, it is still good. I don't care really as long as it's actually I made the money. I don't care if it's go up more. But I wasn't fast enough to change the exit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's good. It's all good. I didn't regret it. I'm happy. I'm happy with my exit because I put that exit right after I bought it. So I'm happy with that. But anyways, what do you think about my execution, Mr. Russell Lees?
For PPSI, I think it was splendid. I also think that you did a really good job on your SPY, your puts on SPY, that last trade.
Yeah.
But you and I were like, we were almost in sync, like how we both kind of had the same.
It's really crazy, right? Well, we were not in the phone, or we're just doing our separate trading earlier, and then as soon as I sold it and made money, I called him and literally. I thought when I was telling him that I made money, he said, "Me too." So we kind of like executed the same execution on SPY earlier, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's in sync. Is that how you call it? Oh,
In sync. Yeah.
yeah, we were in sync together. Do you think PPSI will halt that until the end of the open market?
So I'm gonna say there's probably gonna be a pullback here somewhere. Right now it looks really good. Right now I would say, it halted down.
Yeah, it halted down.
Right now this has all the hallmarks of a multi-day run. Like this could go. You could get plays on this tomorrow.
Yeah.
And the next day.
Mm-hmm.
Again, really good company, really undervalued. And these guys could really places. Their big catalyst was they are launching a charging station for electric vehicles.
Mm-hmm.
And I think if these guys can get the sales of those, if they can get those charging stations put in places that matter successfully and get market capture in that way, could be a really good deal. But to scale, I don't know how well they can scale. I don't know how well they can scale. You know, if they could, you know, I don't think they're going to get the same market share like Plug Power will get or Link Charging will get. Some of the other bigger EV charging companies, you know. So it's just going to be to see. But if it seems like there's a possibility for them to get market share, if it's possible for them to get market share, then they could go. So I'm kind of interested to see if Charlie says anything about it tonight from ZipTrader.
Mm-hmm.
The other one we should probably look at is SPI, symbol SPI. Looks like they had a fair run up. And the other one, there seemed to be the other one that you want to look at. There's three that trade in tandem. SUNW. But you can see SUNW has a very similar chart to SPI. And PPSI. That was the one we traded already. So,
Don't like you.
See what kind of market share they can get. If they get good market share, it could run a lot.
But anyways, I think that's the end of our power hour. We're good. We're gonna wait PPSI tomorrow. I'll try to actually make a recording on my PPSI tomorrow, and we'll see.
Oh, wow.
What?
Did you go back and look at SPY?
No.
Came all the way back down to 468.48.
Why?
Tomorrow might be a hard day.
What?
Tomorrow may be a hard day.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, I cannot do anything on SPY right now because we're gonna trade anyway. So.
Well, you can't. I mean, you can buy options for expiring Wednesday.
Yeah, but no, I'm not gonna do that.
Well, they're not. I mean, they're over $100 a contract right now.
I'm gonna
And
wait.
there's no point because did you explain to them about theta?
Not yet. I think I'm gonna when the next one that I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be see that's one thing that I wanted to do earlier is to show you guys when I buy it so that you can see how I look on the beta and theta and everything in there. But yeah, so I didn't get into that because I wasn't planning to trade anything earlier, and then as soon as I closed the recording and then I decided to buy. So I was like, damn, why did I close that down? But anyways, I will show all those things. But anyways, I think that's it for the day. And I'm gonna be watching PPSI after hours actually. And before I go, I have how many minutes left? 6 minutes, 8 minutes. I am gonna show you actually one of my one of the things that I have on. There you go. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is technically not a day trading ticker. It is my investment. As you can see there, I have 2 million. I'm a millionaire of Shiba coins.
A multi-million.
A multi-millionaire of Shiba coins. But right now it's kicking my ass. Well, not really, because I am making $4. But I'm making $4 on this thing. We're just waiting for a news, before. What is this one? Lottery.com starts development of blockchain gaming platform. What's that mean?
That's really complicated. They're basically building a gaming system that you can use your cryptocurrency on.
I don't know.
You buy and sell stuff with cryptocurrency.
You know what I am thinking, for this, for Shiba, I just wanted to make my $100, or I want 100%. Right now is I have 118 in it. If I have 200, if I get my 100%, I'm out. I don't care. I don't really like Shiba. I just want some money in there. So that's all I want. If it makes me $1 million, why not? But if it's not, I don't give a fuck. So,
Well, I mean, how much do you have in it?
how much? What do you mean?
How many dollars worth of Shiba coin?
120?
Oh, so I mean, it's a lotto ticket. This, it either makes you a millionaire or you lose everything. It's kind of,
Exactly. Yeah, that is. It is.
but I mean, but Bitcoin's ripping. Bitcoin's at an all-time high right now.
Yeah. They were saying that this can go to 10 cents, and if I get this to 10 cents by January.
Oh, you got to be crazy. Really, NEGG went up.
What?
You remember NEGG? Newegg?
I don't know what's that.
Anyway, sorry, I'm just.
No, you're not. I'm really hard to be distracted.
Newegg is ripping.
And I don't know what's that and who is that.
So Newegg is a
Let's look at let's find it.
NE.
NEGG.
Yep.
NEEG. NEEG. NEGG.
Yep.
There you go.
This is a fun one to trade. If you want to do stocks, this is a really fun one. It squeezes like nobody's business.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. Like last time, it was up to I traded it up to 44. But we traded it all the way to 44. Oh, maybe it was bigger than that. 79. Traded at 79. It squeezed last June.
I cannot wait till June.
No, it's squeezing now. Look at it. Look at the daily chart.
Do they have options? Oh, they have options.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's expensive.
Shit. Yeah, but it might be worth it. We'll see tomorrow.
No, if I do that, and it will only make me one option. I don't want that. Well, if
I only buy one.
okay, well, I think that's the end of our power hour, and I will try to make the power hour again on Monday. Oh, do you think I can do power hour on Monday?
Today is Monday.
No, next Monday.
Of course you can.
I think it's a great
You're doing a remote live from Seattle.
live from Seattle. But anyways, I will do my next power hour on Monday, guys, and it's gonna be remotely. Like Mr. Russell Lee said, come on IRNT, come on IRNT. But
Is it doing it?
yeah, it went to 11 again. I am looking on my different my bags are actually doing they are most of them are green right now, so I'm like, yay.
Oh yeah, because Trump did that speech.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh my god, guys.
WAC was ripping IRNT, and there's a couple of.
This is really crazy. When Trump actually tweets something, this is the good thing about Trump tweeting something and tweet. Let Trump tweet, please, because our stock goes up. But you know that's
Yeah,
it.
Trump can make KODK run.
What?
That was a fun too.
Which one?
KODK, Kodak Film.
Oh, Kodak film. But anyways, yeah. Let Trump tweet, please.
Yeah, put him back on.
You put him back.
I'm gonna let you wrap up your show.
Yes.
Okay?
All right. Talk to you later. Thank you. All right. Thank you, guys. And I'll see you guys again next week for the Power Hour show, 12 to 1 p.m.